Hello. We were glad to meet you and put together a customized plan to fix your home's issues. Now, we do understand that you need to consider your next steps before you commit to fixing your home, but can we offer a couple words of advice? First, you should know that your home's problems will never be less expensive to fix than they are today. That's because no matter how much you hope or pray or ignore them, well, they'll only get worse with time. Second, if you ever want to sell your home, you'll likely need to repair it. If you don't, you'll likely lose much more on the sales price than the cost of repairing it today. In fact, realtors tell us that not fixing these issues can cost upwards of 20% or more on your home's sale price. When you do the math, it just makes sense to fix it now. Third, this is your home we're talking about. More than your most valuable asset, it's where you live, lounge, love, and laugh. Isn't that worth fixing right? And you have in front of you a permanent solution to your problems that has been custom designed for your home and your home alone. So whether you want to make sure there are no issues when you try to sell your home, or you're just tired of things not working as they should in your home, or simply want to sleep better at night, just let us know. And we can get the ball rolling on this today.